So far in our videos, we have been talking about prompt engineering techniques, how to structure your question or instructions to get the better results. But here's the thing, knowing the technique alone isn't enough. It's the model itself that has to process your prompt, and different models are better at different kinds of tasks. Imagine trying to run a high performance video game on a basic computer. It just won't work. In the same way, asking a very complex coding question to a basic model might give you poor results, even if your prompt is great. So in this video, we'll break down ChatGPT models to use for what kind of tasks. In this column, we have the model name. In the second column, we have description that gives you a quick overview of model's special abilities. In the third column, we have intelligence that tells how well the model understands and generates an accurate response. The fourth column is reasoning that tells how well the model can think through complex tasks logically. The fifth column tells you how well the model performs on programming related queries. And the last column, ideal tasks, will tell you about what type of real world tasks the model is best at. Let's start with the first and latest model, that is 4o. This is OpenAI's newest model, and it is multimodal. That means it can handle text, images, and even audios. It has high intelligence, high reasoning, and is best at coding stuff. If you want to study a chart image, you can ask ChatGPT 4o to summarize what this graph shows. It is great for complex reasoning and advanced coding. Our next model is ChatGPT 4 Turbo. It is sometimes called as ChatGPT 4.5. This is supercharged version of GPT-4. It doesn't handle images or audios, but it is extremely good at content writing, emotional tone, and research. For example, if you want to write a pitch email with empathy and strategic framing, this is your go-to model. It has very high intelligence, very high reasoning abilities, and has high coding abilities. A third model is GPT-4o Mini. If you are looking for a faster and cheaper model for day-to-day tasks, try GPT-4o Mini. It's like a reliable assistant for quick content, light coding, and even help you with study questions. It is also great for budget-conscious users. Other model we have is GPT 4.1. It is only available through API, but it is worth knowing about it if you are a developer. It's highly optimized for coding with excellent understanding of structure, logic, and debugging. For example, you can ask it to write a Python script that automates my email reports and get a very clean and runnable solution. It is ideal for technical projects, back-end tasks, and software documentation. Next model we have is GPT 4.1 Mini. If you are building internal tools or prototypes and want a balance between performance and price, GPT 4.1 Mini is a strong candidate. It's smart enough for most workflows, especially in startups or lean development teams. It has intelligence, reasoning, and coding abilities with medium range. It is ideal for generating basic UI components or internal tool logic like create a dashboard layout in React. Other model we have is GPT 4.1 Nano. Nano is the lightest and cheapest model, ideal for high volume, low intelligence tasks. It is not going to win any reasoning award, but it is very responsive and great for chatbots or FAQs. You can use it for making chatbot, and it can easily answer where is my order or reset my password, and it can handle that instantly. Next model is ChatGPT o3. It is OpenAI's deep reasoning powerhouse. This model shines in math-heavy, logic-intensive, and engineering domains. It is what you would use for something like solve this advanced calculus problem or generate a compiler in Rust. Perfect for researchers, AI developers, and scientists. Last but not the least, ChatGPT o3 Mini. It is a budget-friendly but powerful reasoning model. It is ideal for students and developers who need solid logic and math or code reasoning without the cost of higher-end models. For example, you can ask it to explain binary search with code and it gets it right with clarity. Last model we have is ChatGPT o4 Mini. It is a balanced mid-tier model that is both fast and affordable. It is great for day-to-day STEM help, basic data analysis, and visual question answering if paired with visual input. For example, you can ask it, what is the slope of this line with graph fed in it? So now you've got the full range from lightweight chatbots to advanced AI researchers. Choosing the right model lets you save cost, get faster result, and maximize output based on your task's complexity. The smarter your pairing of model and prompt is, the better your results will be.